Okay, folks, this is Jaybird Drone out with the Mavic Mini today, and we're gonna go ahead and do a flight today. It's not as windy, so let's go ahead and take off.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
And so let's go ahead and look up here on the map. Make sure our screen's bright. I'll take it out a little bit. No wind today at all. It's very nice. A little cloudy, but I'll take it for February in Ohio. Alright, take her up a little bit. Like I said yesterday, I did all the firmware updates, so no worries with that. Alright, that's a pretty good height, about 305 feet up. So let's go ahead and check the map while we're at it. Yep, and that's our home point. We're good on that front. Alright. Go ahead and take her out a little bit. This is a new park I'm flying at today. It's a community center in our neighborhood. And so let's go ahead and take a quick 360 of the area. Notice no interference with the wind today, no warnings, which is nice. I checked the UAV forecast also, and it's good. We should just be right down here. Yeah, we're just right there in that little area there. But not a bad day to fly. No rain, no wind hardly. So let's go ahead and shoot her out a little bit. That Mavic Mini. We got we're locked in at 15 satellites and 17, so we're doing pretty good on that front. And so just a nice day to fly. I will say this park has a lot of nice open space, which is good. There's no worries about interference for the most part. We're just gonna take a look at this over here. Just flying the Mini. I will say this drone is very good as far as being responsive. It reminds me of the big brother Mavic 2. So if you're looking for a nice beginner drone, this is it. Let's go ahead. We're getting a little bit of interference because I'm a little bit lower. I'm going to take it up about 360 feet. Yep, we're getting a little bit of strong wind. Let's go ahead and fly it out a little bit. Still getting that warning, but it's because we're out pretty far. Let's go ahead and circle her around a little bit, so I don't like those warnings. Bring her close. So we're just looking around. This beautiful area we're in. So getting that warning message, but I honestly don't feel too much wind where I'm standing. It could be because it's up higher, but I don't know. But I will say this thing flies well. Handles the wind very good. For the most part. And for being under 249 grams, it's pretty impressive. Let's go ahead and go on this side. See what we got over this way. just going around the perimeter of the park here. Because of that wind, I don't want to take it out too far, if you know what I mean. But, yeah. Here we keep getting that wind warning. Let's go ahead and bring this baby down. We're getting down to 22%. This battery I used a little bit yesterday, so it's a little bit low. But I usually average between 25, 27 minutes on the battery. And that's pretty good considering the size of this drone. So let's just go ahead and bring her down while we can.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
I'm going to go ahead and cancel that and bring it down myself. Yeah. Apologize for that noise. I don't know how to shut that noise down, but I'm gonna go ahead and bring her down. Let's go ahead and fly over this way some. Here she is. Go ahead and bring her down a bit. Yeah, pretty low. Well, folks, thanks for watching. I'm going to go ahead and land her and catch her. Jaybird Drone signing off.